So.
And musicology.
Yeah.
You do acoustic guitar playing.
Yeah, well, I write, compose, arrange, transpose, I have a fundamental understanding of how music works.
And you lecture on all these subjects?
Yeah, because all of these fields intertwine at some given point. If you get into music, you're going to encounter phonology, which is a branch of linguistics that studies sound, and music is sound. And if you study in what is sound, if an A chord is 440 hertz, and you double 440 hertz is basically cycles per second, so number of wave vibration. So we've just transcended beyond music into physics. So they overlap at some given point in different areas.
Okay. But you're maybe more known, so you do all this, but you're